Hi, today is the first assignment. As I explained, today is the first part of the workshop. In this first part, we have 3 assignments. And in each assignment, we will focus on the pregnancy. Today, we will go really broad. So we will focus on how culture is looking at the pregnancy in general. I have a lot of questions, so you can pick just one or answer all of them. But I want to give you the variety of questions so you can really look at all the angles of the culture and the pregnancy and later on childbirth and parenting. Today you will need a pen and a paper or a notebook. You can also buy a notebook just for this workshop, so everything is in there at one place, as you please. So let's start. In today's assignment, ask yourself, what beliefs does the culture you grew up in holds about your pregnancy, childbirth, children? Pregnancy is the most beautiful time of your life, and children are the meaning of life, says mine. What is considered acceptable regarding pregnancy and childbirth in your culture? Here also look at the emotions. Is it acceptable to feel negative, to feel bad, to have doubts during your pregnancy or not? If you would talk to many people about negative feelings, how would they react? I was surprised, negatively surprised, when I was pregnant and honest. How is the pregnant woman expected to behave? How do people treat pregnant women? What happens after childbirth? What is your culture's view on a young mother? What is the view if you become a mother young, teenage moms, 20s, and if you become a mom when you are a little bit older, 40s, maybe even 50s? What does your culture believe about struggling to conceive or not being able to have children? And also, are you giving birth like I did in a different cultural environment? In that case, you can look at both cultures, yours, the one that you grew up in, and the new one, and you can answer the same questions for both cultures. Of course, maybe for the new one, you won't know everything because we need to be really immersed in culture, have the experience in this culture to answer everything. But what is the most important? How does your beliefs about pregnancy, childbirth, children differ from your culture? And where do they align? And the last question I have, I promise it's the last, is what did you hear about your birth? So when your mom gave birth to you, did you hear anything? Is it positive? Is it negative? Is it pleasant? Was it scary? Is it a funny story? Does your mom talk about it all the time or is never spoken about? So grab a pen and start writing. Also, like I said, you can pick one question or all of them, totally up to you. What is important is to write it down because we put it out from our heads, from our minds, and we can reflect later on what we wrote. And this is what I would like you to do. So if you are not a fan of writing, put the timer for 15 minutes. You answer how many questions you can or just one question that you pick in 15 minutes, and that's that. But if you got the groove, then just continue writing and stop when you feel like it. It is important to listen to yourself. After you finish writing, do the body scan and just check how your body is feeling after doing this assignment. Enjoy your day, and we see each other in second assignment.